what is the component of 3 I cap plus 4 j cap along I cap plus j cap? Here we have given two vectors and we have to find component of one vector on second vector. So given vectors are 3 I cap plus 4 j cap. This one is first vector, other one is I cap plus j cap. So we will consider it as a vector and b vector as I cap plus j cap. So here we have to find component of a vector on b vector, or we can say along b vector. So it is given with the help of formula, that is a dot b cap. Because we have to find component along b vector, so we will use b cap for that. But this result will be scalar and we have to find vector component. So vector component will be a dot b cap. Along with this we will use b cap for direction. So here we can see we have required b cap. So first we will find b cap. So b cap, that is unit vector along b vector, can be calculated with the help of this equation, that is vector divided by its own magnitude. Vector is I cap plus j cap and it will be divided by its magnitude, and magnitude of a vector can be calculated as under root of square of all the coefficient and by adding it. So coefficient is 1 of I cap and 1 of j cap and 0 for k cap. Therefore we will get a result I cap plus j cap divided by root 2. This will represent b cap. Now we will use this b cap for finding component. So component can be find as, now I am directly writing it as component as a vector dot b cap and along with this b cap. So a vector, which is given as 3 I cap plus 4 j cap, we have this a vector and we will dot product this vector with b cap. B cap is coming out I cap plus j cap divided by root 2. And outside the bracket again b cap, that is I cap plus j cap divided by root 2. So we will solve this one. We have to do dot product of two vector and by conclusion, that is coefficients can be directly multiplied. So here coefficient of I cap is 3 and here is 1, and coefficient of j cap in first bracket is 4 and in other bracket is 1. So I am going to directly multiply the coefficient. 3 into 1, that is coefficients of I cap. So it will be 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1, that is coefficients of j cap, whole divided by root 2. This is inside the bracket and outside is as it is I cap plus j cap by root 2. On further simplification we will get 7 by 2 and in bracket we will get I cap plus j cap. So this will represent component of given vector, that is a vector along b vector. So answer of this question is 7 by 2 I cap plus j cap. Thank you.